In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to find interesting creators, open their profiles, follow them so their ideas show up in your feed, and unfollow if you change your mind. Start by opening your web browser and searching for TradingView. In the results, click the official TradingView link that typically reads something like TradingView, track all markets. This takes you to the homepage. As a quick tip, always make sure the URL is the official tradingview.com to avoid lookalikes, and remember that search results may include ads at the top. Once you're on the homepage, look along the top navigation bar and click Community. The Community section is where traders share charts, analyses, and strategies. It's a great place to discover voices you might want to follow. Inside Community, head into Ideas. Here you can scroll through posts, explore trending topics, and see how different traders analyze the markets. If you're looking for something specific, consider using the built-in categories or filters to narrow down to asset classes or styles that match your interests. This isn't required, but it can save time. As you browse, pay attention to the author's name shown with each idea. When you find someone whose analysis resonates with you, click the author's name to open their profile. On the profile page, you'll see their published ideas, activity, and other details that help you confirm it's the right person to follow. Take a moment to skim a couple of posts so you feel confident about the quality and consistency of their work. Next, click the follow button on their profile. Following adds that user to your network so their new ideas and updates appear in your feed. If you're not signed in, TradingView may prompt you to log in or create an account before you can follow. That's normal. Just proceed as you usually would. After you follow, the button typically changes to indicate you're now following, which confirms it worked. If you decide later that the content isn't a fit, simply click the same button again to unfollow. This toggles your subscription off and removes their future posts from your feed, while leaving all your other follows unchanged. That's it. Search for TradingView, open the official site, go to Community and Ideas, pick a creator by clicking their name, press follow on the profile, and click again anytime to unfollow. Repeat this process for as many users as you want to build a curated stream of insights tailored to your trading interests.